Have you ever noticed how much in our craft rooms are round and rolly? Things like stabilizers that like to roll off tables and unwind across the floor. Our bobbins that are round, and if we're not careful, we'll do the same thing and spurling thread across the floor. I have a solution for at least part of these things, and they'll do a couple of nice things for us. These are slat bands. These slat bands will do quite a bit for us. Those of you that are my age may remember slat bands. We wore them as bracelets, but I'm going to tell you that wasn't what they really should have been used for. Here in the shop, we are using our Gipsy Slap and Wrap peels to help us contain things that tend to want to roll on us or unfurl. One of those things is stabilizers we use with our embroidery machines. Left to its own devices, this will just unfurl and a lot of times roll off the table. And then we have to go chase it. And I don't know about you, I don't bend over nearly as well as I used to. This will keep this contained. Now, this particular set is also going to come with a marking pen that is erasable and removable. So I can label the type of stabilizer that this is. So I don't have to go tearing it and go, is it tearaway? This happens to be a tearaway. Or is it a cutaway? I can absolutely put that name on there and know exactly what it is. And that band, because it's rubberized, helps keep this from rolling off the table. And if it does, it's not going to unfurl across the floor. So we have a couple of those. Now, in playing around here at the shop, we have discovered it is also the perfect solution to keep some of our unruly threads that don't have the snap bottoms. This is one of our heavier duty threads that we like to use for bag making. Well, this comes unfurled quite easily. Well, if I just place my snap band around that area, it's perfect for keeping it neat. And again, if I need to, I can write the type of thread it's on here if I need to. Of course, it is on the bottom, but sometimes that sticker falls off. So it gives me that option. We've even found it's very useful on our serger thread. And there's, of course, no way to keep these from coming undone otherwise. Something else I use these for quite a lot is I use my embroidery machine to quilt my quilts. But that means I have to contain all of my quilt on either side of the hoop so it doesn't fall underneath. These slat bands work really well. If I roll up my quilt, I can roll this around that quilt and it's going to help hold it for me and control it while I work with my quilt. You can use it on the embroidery machine. You can also use it for your own free motion quilting to get that quilt contained so you can work on just the spot you want to. Really useful tool. Come take a look.